I'm not doing it. I'm not take the gifters money and I'm not put it to use. But the whole are ready for chat, Niesha and Owie. Oh, we see them growth. We see every one of them growth. We see the two of them growth. When we watch them people that they till them breathe and I expect a difference, man, you know. Lord Jesus. But yeah, them are beg for build baby room. Oh, what a nasty. Number one, the people them, about 3/4 of the people them house aboard. Someone know what, where them could have big out of that. About 3/4 of the people them house aboard. I see Rosealee come on live until it's this time I come show and go guest house. Hello? And every time Jaden feel broke, him come up with an Ashley story and Rosealee they behind him PP clock. I know she come confess like Miss Blinger, but she done with them foolishness. The whole of her get exposed. No, she come confess like Miss Blinger. Me done with them foolishness because she run out of content. Sit down and just eat up 1 pot of rice and 2 steppers. Eh? And the pan. Somebody make $100. Somebody make $100. 5 of my loyal gift and send me $30. Yeah. You know, I upset my stomach in the morning, you know. No, it's not lie. And then people say, every day so you text it pan. Yes, every day she preach pan on a packet. And una not tell her go do something. Una not tell her put on the money to use. She buy man care not even sleep at the house. Me not understand that. If not sleep there. My cousin Rosealee so till she paint up her wall. But I'll paint in a house and I'm supposed to act. Yeah. No, it's not lie. Vibes man send me 30. You just don't eat. You sung for your life, so. Come on, my gifters. What they must give you for look for you? After the zoo with it. We know the animal already. You not even get up and go bathe. You not even get up and go bathe. You not even do something with your existence. Get up and go bathe. Go wash off the sheena for your kids. You argue with people that you look on pity them or them clean and the whole of under favor blackout. Honestly, so sad to say, but it's the truth. And everything for pose. And everything you must pose. Like you now go through, you spend too much time in a chair. Me see when me see everybody in a black, me I look for the clean. Me I look for the clean, come I just blame it on the filter. Or the phone all. It's not lie. Yeah, walk done everybody, baby. Don't post nothing more. Nothing more. No post until I get it right. Wanna too much. Wanna too much. Way too much. And then you sit down, but why me them always coming at me? Rosealee, stop the crying because you know why people coming at you. Many reasons. Number one, let us forget about your body because we know so you're shaped like cow shit. Number two, you're not cute, so we could not come for your pulchritude. You get what me I say? People just attack your ways. You see your dirty ways where you sit on the internet and bully people to give you. Yeah, you do. No, don't shake your head and your chin. You do. You bully people to give to you, and that is the thing where I kill you, because you bully people for gift you. You sit down, you don't have no story, and half the times the audience knows so you don't have no story, and you try draw and fabricate. Me see you do a thing where you don't have no story at all. You put up back boy, Tiki, and look how Tiki go on, and look how I'm dressed. Suppose my family them see this now. Suppose we take family in consideration. Rosealee, your family them know is nastiness. Why them never take the botless body them out of your old from your young when them used to dry your out, all and pull your out. You're not supposed to have no wrist so you can feel, you know. Your pulse you're supposed to go. Cause a whole heap of grab you get. Remember them call you grab bag. You understand me? You got to talk about say, suppose you have kids and you have this. Rosealee go suck your mother. When it comes to you want people to highlight and realize say, oh, she's just a girl and she's on fire. Well, he's Obi Pig. Yeah, Obi Pig will roasting you. Oh. A long time Tiki cuss you and tell you that and dress like you and him fit the part and the sketch fit too. Nobody not telling a lie on you. Nobody not telling any lies on you. If you did have feeling, you'd attend to your kids because they do got feelings too. You know, so I'm not like that person, yeah? God no, but Shante, Warmington. Look here at last name, don't do that. Yeah, for sure. You want people now for move for me so your gifts them dry up. I dry your gifts them dry up. Move and stop it. You're big and careless, that's why people talk about you. Cause you're big and careless. People have to talk about your carelessness. You're big and careless, you have to about look there. Suppose my family them see this. Suppose my man see this. Suppose my man friend them see this. Suppose my man friend them see this. You care about your man though. You care about your man. Make the boy get up and fix you. Him get up and fix you. You care about the man. Shay wagwan. Get up. No, make the man fix you. You only care about man. And that this me tell the people it's not about your family because if you buy your mama the phone and you not buy your mama the phone. Oh. But suppose you give your man a whole heap of title though. A whole heap of title or something. You buy the car, give your man. You buy the car, give your man. But suppose your man friend them see this. Eh? But me not understand. We're so cocky, Empress. Yeah. Out of order. But suppose your man friend. Suppose my man friend. You put trust in a man too much, Rosealee. You shape like spit or upon a dash of water. Right, but suppose your man friend them pan people money, go suck on a mother and go make your man work with the 5 subjects where you claim to say him have. Your man head full and your pocket broke. Go on, you know? Your man too bright for your liver for you or your tops and rose. And that's the problem. You come and your brother, you boast about your man. Cause you put man before Shanti and Barbar. You put man before them. And man, remember say a man you say them? Remember a man you say? Oh, remember you preach, man, you know, you walk and advertise, man. Oh. These are the stuff. And them something make people not like you, make people not talk about you, Rosealee. Because you're the only girl on the internet do nothing with your money. Nothing at all. Not one earthly thing. You want up and hands and go like, you not have no picnic yet about, Baba, my picnic, they are my foot. Then they your foot are suffer while you are mine, man. Them day your foot are you ignore them. The only thing you remember your kids are when you have somebody and them remind you about your picnic them. Cause you don't know so you breathe and know. You don't know about your responsibility in a Rosealee. That's why you walk and look help from people. That's why you walk and try lay down in a people pocket. You don't know your responsibility all now. You don't know. You don't know. But you have your picnic and your foot are you focus for man. Eh? The funny part about life is in a relationship and not being noticed. You never know that? Now you do. Now you do. But people at Shebada always a complain victim and cry victim. Always a cry victim. But suppose my family them see this. And my man see this. And your man always a say the things, remember I work here there. Remember your man knows so you work in a circles. People always are going to jeer you. Your man know your job. Your man he knows your job. Yeah, people gonna poke you when you ain't the bear. People is gonna poke you. You see your man care? Your man don't care how people are dry up on the internet, but you that care if somebody says something bad about your man. Your man don't even care for show you how the boy not in your life. Then which man could have people are dry him bitches up on the internet? Rosealee them something them look on, you know? And them something them look on. Big yard, hold on there. And them something them look on. I look on them something real bad. Come here say, Jesus, then she really have man. And people that talk so about her and the no man big yard, what is? Yeah. So you see the difference. Me never tell no lie. Me never tell no lie. I never tell no lie on Rosealee. Never. You are defend your man and your man not defend you. And you boy no why And it's actually when some broke ugly, stay bad boy, you hide them up you see. And they might hide for you. Rosealee. You bite the dust. That's why Tiki could have reached out for you for advice. Tiki could have reached out for you for advice. Because show you and him are the same God Almighty thing. Misery love company and them know them own. Him reach out to you for advice, Rosealee. But him don't know say you done so than him. You done so than him. Done so. Island Queen is not lie. She done so than him. Reach out to you for advice. That's why I said Destiny do not argue with Tiki on the net. When Tiki come on him live, one of the teach, when they can teach people, you know, how to be different, how to govern themselves. Nobody have to know what you like from what you don't like. Keep that in your community. Keep that in your community. So that's why. And then we have Rosealee number now. One thing we're gonna keep my show. I would class in a Blackberry. Blackberry don't make a class. You're nasty. I will catch you. Yeah. Megan, why you kiss your teeth? Maybe you have something to say, Megan, why you kiss your teeth? Maybe I say something you don't like it. Why? Hey, Megan, good? Why is it, Megan? Oh, Chihuahua! Why is it? Because you don't have nothing for saying about it, just come. I don't care, I try to be nice. I just don't want to be nice. Megan, why is it? Rosealee used to feed you. Megan not shy. Megan not shy. She just suck out the cocky ear out her mouth. Oh, Megan for shy. Eh? Oh, Megan for shy. Hold back here. This girl up on the internet. Them girl are traumatized from the corner of them head to the soul of them all. Them girl are traumatized. And enough girl go through life and them just have to take man till them dead. Eh? Me not delusional. Me not delusional like your friend who are swinging on the chair so cocky girl. Me not delusional. Eh? Me not delusional like Rosealee. She alone as an overgrown pumpkin can sit down on her life and cry for stories where past and gone and you not have nothing to do with she and her family and them missing. So we are talking. We are talking. We just hear words and feel for use words. No, me not understand how Jamaican people stay. So everything we use as slang. So we don't have no other word. Ain't no other word that can complement to the statement and give meaning. Me not understand. Me can't understand. Some things me just can't understand. Me no want have no clothes. Me no want have no clothes. More have an anointing from Almighty God. Me no want no clothes. If I clothes you stop in a day, me no want have no clothes. Remember now, China make it possible. China make it possible. Me no want have no clothes. If I clothes you still stop. In a day me no want have no clothes. Me no want have no clothes. Me want wake up healthy. Me no want wake up healthy. Me no want no clothes, my baby. Clothes. Then my friend really say and argue with you now, baby girl. You don't have no sense. Money of clothes can jump in a day time. If you cuss me with substance. The argument they want some vitamins. Them weak. Eh? Me never born in a clothes and when me a grind my people no sex me in a clothes. Go on here girl. We strip naked cause me no have no shame. Me no have no shame. I'm not going to bedroom with luggage and travelers. Me not going to bedroom with my family. Me not have no hang up on me. Me love me can't step going to bedroom and none for me not fall. My titty them still stand up on my chest like me at the bench press. What you say? And you agree me about clothes and naked me want walk. Naked me want walk. Me don't advertise me as a prostitute so me don't know where me I dress up from. Me can't hook in a garments. Me good body what I want. Me say the first thing me say this morning very early. Jamaica at man. I believe Andrew don't pay the Owie man, you know. I strongly believe so.
Just want to show me a sweat.
That's the worst thing, that's why I stop beard. Cause so your beard come like you never bother. Sure my goods want no. Me don't know what do uno and clothes, baby girl. Go on, cause some of the girls go on and not even have one line of clothes. I'm not adult. I'm not go on, they don't even have one line of clothes. So stop. Island babes, thanks. So stop. Stop my baby, not go no further. When nastiness, the whole of it for nasty, the whistle her pan cocky. But you're not till your friend Rosealee said she wants to spray. Megan, you have nothing to say. Megan, you can't cause. Megan is a little boy. He's a little boy, may I argue with? Megan, you can't cause. Megan, I'm not wasting time for you. Megan's supposed to feel like a star this morning. Don't go there. Yeah, my love. Feel like a star. More like you want Q-tip now for your skin out in front of broke glass and wipe out a piece of doodle there in the corner of your hole. It'll infect the wall of your vagina. Yeah. But just want to get one Q-tip and you just clean out your little hole like an eardrum. Do that day in there. You understand me? So now come this man, guys, if Rosealee said you, tell us you're weak. Tell us you're weak. Yeah, your friend wants to spray for me like you, I'm gonna help you be a June. Make June turn back with you, Megan. And you duck her and soap her and then you broom her. You have to clean Rosealee like a ground. And then you have to lift up all her side, you know, come, go. Gemma drop down back. She don't have nothing stiff on her. Nothing nasty. But what do you? Megan, your friend. See your friend bathing rag there. See your friend bathing rag. Man, I ask you. Are your friend rag this? All you have to do a liquid soap this. Wash her. Yes. Blah, blah. And that's how you go. But not no problem with that. Yeah, goodbye the people. Me I come on back 12 o'clock. Remember tea time Tuesday. I may have something for tell you now. No mix up though. Or something for tell you now. Yeah, I want to give Rosealee some casket soda. When I go with Dettol and bleach, that have a hospital floor, I love casket soda burn away things fast. You know, say Rosealee is a bowl. I'm not talk the dish, me I talk the toilet. Rosealee is a bowl. I love you later, man. I'm not too happy go lucky. Later. Be good and be safe now and put God before everything and everyone. And I make nobody upset you there. I with the mama blood finger with box you down in a girl. Happy up yourself. Happy. Oh we go. I don't remember the rest, but I don't finish it.